Good morning, Year 5. Today we will revise together Chapter 5 that we will talk about the light. Okay? We know that the light is considered a form of energy, and we have many sources of light. We classified the sources of light into natural source and artificial source of light. We have many examples for artificial source of light as light bulb, fluorescent lamp, and candles. All of them are considered man-made light source. And we have also natural source of light. The sun is considered the natural source of light and heat energy on the Earth's surface. The light has many properties, okay? Property number 1, light travels in a straight line. Property 2, light can transmit through different materials. And property number 3, light reflection. And it's a very important property that's responsible for occurrence of vision. How does light help us seeing things around us? Okay? We know that the light has a very important property known as light reflection. We are able to see things around us when they reflect light into our eyes. So we see objects around us due to light reflection. Like, what's meant by light reflection? Light reflection means, okay, the bouncing back or the returning back of light from a surface after falling on it, okay? Look in this figure. The light rays come from the sun falling on the flower. Then the flower reflects the light or returning back the light rays, causing the vision, okay? When light falls on an object, the object reflects it. The reflected light reaches our eyes, helping us to see the object around us, okay? So our vision occurred due to light reflection. Without light reflection, we can't see the object around us. The second property, we will talk about it. The light, how does light travel, okay? Light travels in a straight line. Light travels in a straight line. Transferring of light in a straight line explain many phenomena as shadow, okay? Why? Because shadow is formed due to the light travel in a straight line, okay? How are shadows formed? Okay, and what are need to form a shadow? In order for a shadow to be formed, there must be, number 1, a light source, okay? Number 2, an object, whatever. The object is opaque or translucent. This object blocks the path of the light. And we need a surface or a screen on which the shadow of an object can appear or we can receive the shadow on it. Let's see the example. Look at the sun, the tree, okay? The sun is considered a source of light, okay? When the light coming from the sun, traveling in a straight line, the path of the light is blocked by using a tree, okay? Or by a tree. So a tree can form a shadow on the floor, okay? This is a light source. This is an object that blocks the path of the light, and this is a screen or a surface where the shadow can appear, okay? So a shadow is formed because, again, light travels only in a straight line. When the path of light is blocked, a shadow is formed. Do you know that we can change size and the length of the shadow? Yes. What? How? How do you know that the size, length, and the position of the shadow can be changed? Yes. Okay. I know. How come? When the object, like a star, become nearer to the light source, the formed shadow becomes larger, okay? And when the object, okay, become farther and far away from the light source, the shadow on the screen becomes smaller. So the size of the shadow can be changed according to the position of the object, okay, nearer or farther from the light source. So the position of the opaque object beside light source, it can control the size of the shadow, okay? Also, the length of the shadow can be changed when the sun is come directly or any light source become directly above the object, the formed shadow becomes the shortest one, okay? Thank you, year 5.